Hello. Ooh, do you know anyone famous? Time out! Time out! I know a psychologist. I know a match for you. Looks good. Uncle Skip, snakebite venom. This is not what I meant by being cut. Oh, this is a slice of life. Let me out of here. Don't pop out my stuffing. No, no, no. Oh! Ow! Ow! Incisions, incisions. Ouch! Oh, oh, oh! Oh my God! You're too stabby. Hi, Chihuahua. You're quite the gay blade, aren't you? Do you have a dog? Mama! That's exotic. I'm unarmed! The pain! Help me! Ow! I'm a pacifist! Fetch me some coffee, please. This is rather peaceful. Probably want a cracker. Hey, take your time. Oh!